This is the first line given to you. This is second line given to you, and question is asking you check whether they are intersecting or not. And if they are intersecting, find the intersection point. For that, first check our equation, is it in the proper manner or no? Here we will write z minus 0 by 1. Let this be taken as lambda and this will be taken as mu. Why we have taken this? Because first I'll be taking general point on this line and then we'll be taking general point on this line. And we want that general point are coming same or not. Because this point if you take, it is a common point among two. So first find out general point of this, general point of this and equate them. You will get the value. If it is possible, you will find that the equation gets solved. Otherwise, nahi hoga, so we will say they are not intersecting. That I'll tell you later. First, what you will do? First, take general point on it. What is the general point on the first line? That will be 2 lambda plus 1. X निकालना है तो ये होगा 2 lambda plus 1. Y क्या होगा? 3 lambda plus 2. और Z क्या होगा? 4 lambda plus 3. This is the point on one line, first line. Then second line it will be 5 mu plus 4, 2 mu plus 1 and then mu. This is point first, this is point second. So first we have calculated general point of the two. If the line intersect, these lines must have the common point. So if the lines intersect, they must have a common point. They must have a common point. So if they have common point, that means we will say this is equal to this. We will take and we will check whether the lambda and mu exist for it or no. If lambda and mu does not exist, they don't intersect. If lambda and mu exist, we will say yes, they intersect. So for this, what I'm saying, 2 lambda plus 1 is 5 mu plus 4. Or I should say first, 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3 is coming equal to 5 mu plus 4, 2 mu plus 1 and next is mu. They are equal. Okay? If they equal, this implies we will say 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 5 mu plus 4. Second आएगा 3 lambda plus 2 should be 2 mu plus 1 and third will be 4 lambda plus 3 equal to mu. Then we will write this as 2 lambda minus 5 mu is coming 3. Then we have 3 lambda minus 2 mu is coming minus 1 and then 4 lambda minus mu is coming minus 3. Now we will solve them. First we solve these two equations. So 2 lambda minus 5 mu is coming 3. 3 lambda minus 2 mu coming minus 1. This I will multiply with 3, this will multiply with 2. And now we will solve it. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, minus is here, plus is here, plus is here. Now it will come minus 15 plus 4, so it will come minus 11 mu. And how much it is? 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. So mu is coming what? Minus 1. Okay or no? After getting mu, we find out lambda also. So we'll take first equation and find out. 2 lambda, mu आपका minus 1 है, तो ये हो गया plus 5. coming 3. 2 lambda is coming minus 2. Lambda is also coming minus 1. And whatever lambda and mu you get here must satisfy the third equation. क्योंकि अभी थर्ड को आपने कहीं भी यूज नहीं किया, and if it satisfies third, we will say yes, the line intersect. आपसे पूछा गया था, show that they are intersecting. अगर intersect कर रही है, then whatever this lambda mu will satisfy third, otherwise not. If it is not satisfying, we'll say no, if they are not intersecting, because point will not exist. So now in third condition, we will have this. So lambda is minus 1, mu is minus 1, so it will come minus 4 plus 1 comes out to be minus 3, satisfies equation third. Okay or no? And then we will say hence the line intersect. Hence the lines intersect. And then they are asking point of intersection. If you want the point of intersection, now you find out that point can be this also or this also, because they are one and the same points. So if we take lambda is minus 1, so kitna aayega bhai? Minus 2 plus 1, so it's coming minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2, it's coming minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3, it's coming minus 1. This is the point of intersection. Either you calculate from this side or this side, they will come same because they intersect. Common point hai aapka. So we will say yes, the line intersected. Next question, write down please. Check whether the lines intersect or not. Again, same type of question. We have to check whether the line given are intersecting or not. First line is x minus 1 by 3 equal to y plus 1 by 2 equal to z minus 1 by 5. And second line, x plus 2 by 4 equal to y minus 1 by 3 equal to z plus 1 by minus. You have to check whether these lines intersect. If they intersect, find out point of intersection, otherwise it's not possible. So just go for it. Question is, check whether they are intersecting or not. So we will take this as lambda, this I'll take as mu. Then what is the general point on first line? That will be 3 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda minus 1, 5 lambda plus 1. Same way the second one is 4 mu minus 2, 3 mu plus 1, minus 2 mu minus 1. And if they intersect, then these two has to be same. That means what I should have? 3 lambda plus 1 should be 4 mu minus 2, first condition. Second comes out to be 2 lambda minus 1 is 3 mu plus 1. Third one is 5 lambda plus 1 should be minus 2 mu minus 1. From this equation comes out to be 3 lambda minus 4 mu equal to minus 3. Second one comes out to be 2 lambda minus 3 mu will be 2. And third will be 5 lambda plus twice of mu is coming minus 2. Now we will solve first two. 3 lambda minus 4 mu is coming minus 3. 2 lambda minus 3 mu coming as 2. When you solve it, it will come out to be 2, it will come out to be 3. 2 3s are 6 lambda here. Minus 8 mu comes out to be minus 6. Then it comes out to be 6 lambda minus of 9 mu will be 6. Minus plus minus. This is gone. यहाँ आपका plus 9 आ रहा है minus 8 तो left is mu is coming minus 12. Mu is minus 12. Now you calculate lambda. So put in the first equation. 3 lambda. 12 fours are 48. Plus of 48 comes out to be minus 3. So 3 lambda comes out to be how much? 48 and 3 minus 51. So 19. How much? Lambda is what? 17. Minus 17. Lambda is coming minus 17. Mu we got as minus 12. Lambda is coming minus 17. Now check whether it satisfies the third equation or not. Third equation is this. So we should check whether it satisfies or not. 5 into minus 12. Then plus 2 into minus of 17 is coming minus 2. Check karo usko. Minus 30 minus of 34 not coming as minus 2. It does not satisfy the third condition, and if it does not satisfy third condition, we will say they are not intersecting. So we will say these two lines will not intersect. Next question is, again check whether the line intersect or not. Now this time the lines given in vector form. R vector equal to I plus j minus k plus lambda times of 3i minus j. Another line is R is equal to 4i minus k plus mu times of 2i plus 3k. Check whether these lines intersect or not. If they intersect, find out intersection point. So again we go for general point. General point कैसे लिख लेगा? R आपका क्या होता है इस केस में? I told earlier also general point xy plus zk. ये आपका R होता है. Now what will be x coordinate? X will be 1 plus 3 lambda. Comparing I cap with I cap, j cap with j cap and k cap with k cap. Y क्या बनेगा? 1 minus lambda. And what about z? It will come minus 1 plus 0 lambda. Same way here we go for x. What is the x coordinate here? 4 plus 2 mu. When you go for y, it is 0 because neither j is here nor j is here, so we will say it will be 0. And then z coordinate is what? Minus 1 plus thrice of mu. Now if they are if we want the intersection point, these must be same. So 1 plus 3 lambda comes out to be 4 plus 2 mu. And here we will get it 1 minus lambda coming 0. And from this, minus 1 is minus 1 plus 3 mu. Better will be lambda clearly known here is 1 from this. यहाँ से आपका mu निकल के आएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा mu. And check now, if lambda is 1 and mu is 0, will you get the answer or no? Lambda 1. Lambda 1 means 3 plus 1, it will come out to be 4. And mu is coming 0, so ये भी आपका 4 है. So 4 is equal to 4 we have. That means it satisfies the third condition, and if it satisfies, then you can find out the point. What point is? Lambda आपका 1 आ रहा है, तो आप यहाँ रख सकते हैं, और mu को आप यहाँ रख सकते हैं, दोनों से आंसर सेम आएगा. So what the coordinate here? Lambda when you put 1, so 3 plus 1 it is 4. This will be coming 0, and this will come out to be minus 1. So this is the intersection point. Okay, now coming on next question. Another type of question we are taking. Find the foot of perpendicular. Find the foot of perpendicular Find the foot of perpendicular drawn from point 0 to 3. From 0 to 3 on the line x plus 3 by 5 equal to y minus 1 by 2 equal to z plus 4 by 3. Question is, find the foot of perpendicular drawn from this to this line. From this point to this line, there is a perpendicular drawn. Then they are asking what is the foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular means when you draw the perpendicular, it will meet somewhere on the line. This point is called foot of perpendicular. Let this point is P, this point Q, they are asking you calculate. Now to get this point, what we do, just check here. First, this is the line on which this point this line exists. This is the line on which this point Q exists. इसका मतलब इसका general point ये point represent कर सकता है, because general means in terms of lambda. Special value of lambda will give this point later, but we will take general point first. So let this be taken as lambda. Then let the coordinate of Q point will be what? 5 lambda minus 3. Then 2 lambda plus 1. And third one is 3 lambda minus 4. I got the coordinate of P. P is already there, Q we have calculated. Okay. Now we have the condition that this line is perpendicular to this. तो इसकी जो डायरेक्शन होगी और इसकी डायरेक्शन जो होगी, they will be perpendicular to each other. What are direction ratios of this line we have? Direction ratios of, let this point is R and this is S. Direction ratios of line RS, you calculate first. RS एक लाइन है, इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज बताओ. दिए क्वेश्चन में ये लाइन है, इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्या है? 5, 2 and 3. These are simply direction ratios. Another line is this PQ. What are direction ratios of PQ? हाँ जी, कौन बताएगा? How you calculate direction ratios of PQ? Yes, please. Direction ratios, if you want to calculate on a line, there must be 2 points. Their difference is always give you direction ratios. और अगर दिमाग में नहीं आता है तो आप कह दें इसकी डायरेक्शन कौन देगा? PQ वेक्टर डायरेक्शन दे देगा इसकी. PQ वेक्टर मींस पोजीशन ऑफ Q माइनस पोजीशन ऑफ P. That will be the direction. तो डायरेक्शन रेशियोज निकालने के लिए if you have 2 point take the difference of the coordinate. तो अगर डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ PQ निकालना है तो this minus this या this minus this, that is your choice. तो कि आप PQ लें या QP लें, the result is coming same. So what I get here, 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0. First one. Second is 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2. And third one is 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. Now when you solve it, what the direction ratios is 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 7. I got the direction ratios of this, I got the direction ratios of this. और अगर डायरेक्शन रेशियोज हमारे पास आ जाते हैं तो देयर डॉट प्रोडक्ट हैज टू बी 0. इसकी डायरेक्शन कौन दे रहा है? v1 वेक्टर. वो v1 वेक्टर हमने निकाल लिया. ये रहा, क्या है? 5 lambda minus 3 I cap plus 2 lambda minus 1 j cap plus 3 lambda minus 7 k cap. ये आपका v1 वेक्टर है जो इसकी डायरेक्शन दे रहा है. इसकी डायरेक्शन कौन दे रहा है? दैट इज v2 वेक्टर. क्या है आपका? 5i plus 2j plus thrice k. And as these two lines are perpendicular, I should have v1 dot v2 comes out to be 0. और v1 dot v2 0 आने का मतलब क्या हुआ? 5 into this 5 lambda minus 3 plus 2 into 2 lambda minus 1 plus 3 times of 3 lambda minus 7 coming 0. तो डायरेक्शन रेशियोज का डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट निकाल सकते हो. a1 b1 c1, it is a2 b2 c2, and if the lines are perpendicular, directly I can write a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is coming 0 because their dot product is giving this value. Now when you solve it, what it will come? 25 lambda minus 15, 4 lambda minus 2, 9 lambda minus 21 is coming 0. 25 plus 4, 29, 29 and 9. कितना हो भाई? 29 plus 9. हाँ?
38 lambda.
8 lambda. और ये क्या बनेगा? 15, 16, 17, 18. ये भी 38 आ रहा है. So lambda is coming 1. If you got lambda 1, that means I know this coordinate. Coordinate कितना हो गया? lambda 1 डालो, 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 minus 4, it's minus. This is the coordinate of Q point. So we got the foot of point. Perfect. They can ask what is the length of this foot of length of this perpendicular also. So अगर length निकालनी है तो आप distance formula पे जा सकते हैं. That you should know. तो distance formula लगा देना, you can get your length also. Next question write down please. Find the image of point 163. Find the image of point 163 in the line x by 1 is y minus 1 by 2 equal to z minus 2 by 3. Image, if you have to calculate, means first this is foot of perpendicular, then this will be the image. Image कितनी होती है? Image is simply whatever this distance will be there, and this line is definitely perpendicular. Then this will be called as image of this. क्योंकि हमें एक लाइन है, तो लाइन मिरर में इमेज जितना डिस्टेंस पे ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उतना ही पीछे इमेज बनेगी. So that you should keep in mind. So my aim is to first calculate what is foot of perpendicular and then we will go on image. ये P point है, ये coordinate Q होगा, इसको हम R लेके चलते. Okay. So first thing what I told you that Q is the point on this line, so you just assume the general point. General point के लिए we will take this as lambda. So what this will come, first x coordinate is lambda, y will be 2 lambda plus 1 and z will be coordinate will be 3 lambda plus 2. This is the coordinate of Q point. Then we go for direction ratios of both. Direction ratios of PQ. PQ के डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्या कहा इन दोनों का डिफरेंस what that will be lambda minus 1 2 lambda plus 1 minus 6 and 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3. That means what the direction ratios are lambda minus 1 2 lambda minus 5 3 lambda minus 1. This is direction ratios of PQ. Same way we go for direction ratios of this line. Let this be ST. What these are 1, 2 and 3. And as PQ is perpendicular to ST, B1 dot B2 has to be 0, or I should say A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 coming out to be 0, where A1 B1 C1 are direction ratios of first, A2 B2 C2 are the direction ratios of second. So what it will come lambda minus 1 into 1 plus 2 lambda minus 5 into 2 plus 3 lambda minus 1 into 3 comes out to be 0. And now when you solve it, what this condition gives, lambda minus 1 plus 4 lambda minus 10 plus 9 lambda minus 3 comes out to be 0. 9 and 4 13 and 1 14 और ये भी 14 आ रहा है, so coming 0. That means clearly lambda is coming 1. And if lambda is 1, then what is the coordinate of Q? ये point आपका 1 हो गया. यहाँ 1 रखेंगे तो 2 plus 1 come out to be 3. 3 plus 2 come out to be 5. So the coordinate will be 1, 3, 5. And now they are asking what is the image of it. When they ask image, we will take, let this coordinate is x1, y1 and z1. Now, if it is the image, then midpoint of the two will be this. इन दोनों का midpoint ये होगा. Distance formula पे मत जाना, निकलेंगे नहीं. X, Y, Z में relation तो मिल जाएगा, but you will not get x1, y1, z1. So what we do in this case, directly midpoint formula will take. So this and this gives midpoint this. So we go for it. What the midpoint of RP? बोलो ये क्या आएंगे coordinate? x1 plus 1 by 2. Then y1 plus 6 by 2. And then z1 plus 3 by 2. This is midpoint of RP. And this midpoint of RP should be equal to what? This should be equal to 1, 3 and 5. That means I got it x plus x x1 plus 1 by 2 is coming 1. y1 plus 6 by 2 is coming 3. And z1 plus 3 by 2 come out to be 5. Now when you solve it, what is x1 here? x1 will be 2 minus 1. y1 will be 3 to the 6 minus 6. And z1 comes out to be 10 minus 3. So what the coordinates are? 1, 0 and 7. So this is the image of 107. इमेज भी निकाल सकते हैं, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आपकी। तो ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट बनता है, ये बोर्ड में आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है। ये सीधा पहले फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर निकालना पड़ेगा और बाद में इस पे मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला लगा देना है, देन यू विल गेट दिस फॉर्म। वन मोर क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ प्लीज। फाइंड द फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर and the image of the point 2i minus j plus 5 of k to the line r vector equal to 11i minus 2j minus 8k plus lambda times of 10i minus 4j minus 11. The procedure remained the same, only we got vector this time. तो point यहाँ पर अब आप निकालेंगे तो क्या आएगा वो आपको मालूम है, 11 plus 10 lambda, then it is minus 2 minus 4 lambda, and third one is minus 8 minus 11 lambda. And this point is already known, that is 2 minus 1 and 5. Then direction ratios